The Mini Cooper S 5-door offers passengers more space and comfort. The model is 6.7 inches longer than the Mini 3-door model and has a 2.8-inch longer wheelbase. Thanks to compact external dimensions, the short overhangs, and a small turning circle of 37.4 feet, the 5-door model remains a versatile vehicle for the city. Thanks to the increased tire diameter to 215 from 205, the Mini Cooper 5-door looks more visually present. At the same time, this improves driving dynamics and driving comfort. The 60/40 folding rear seats allow the volume in the luggage compartment to grow from 9.7 cubic feet to 32.6 cubic feet and underline the universal idea of mini, plenty of space in a small footprint. The Mini Cooper S 5-door model has a 4-cylinder engine with 201 horsepower and a maximum torque of 221 pound-feet. It accelerates from 0 to 62 in about 6.8 seconds and has a top speed of around 150 miles per hour. The increased track width and longer wheelbase in combination with the precisely tuned suspension and damping system ensure a high level of comfort and lively handling. Combined with the precise steering feel typical of Mini and powerful brakes, this guarantees a high level of comfort in everyday life. Highly pre-stressed stabilizer bearings on the axles ensure balanced body behavior when dynamically cornering and increased steering precision. 4 different trim variants focus on different vehicle characteristics. In favored trim, both the front grille frame and specific design elements are highlighted in vibrant silver and expand the individual expression. The reduced form language of the new Mini design comes into its own in the color Icy Sunshine Blue. In addition to the brand-typical multi-tone roof with a gradual color gradient, there are 3 contrasting colors as well as the respective vehicle color and a total of 11 body colors to choose from. Aerodynamic rim designs in sizes between 16-inch and 18-inch offer further exterior equipment options. Textile surfaces characterize the feel-good atmosphere in the Mini Cooper interior. A specially developed knitting process creates the easy-care, versatile structure of the textile made from recycled polyester. In high-quality favored trim, a 2-tone houndstooth pattern adorns the knitted surface of the instrument panel and extends into the door trim. The perforated Vesson sport seats are available in nightshade blue and beige and with traditional accent stitching. The cockpit of the new Mini Cooper 5-door is reminiscent of the puristic design of the classic Mini. With the round OLED display, all vehicle functions can be operated by touch or voice. In the upper area, vehicle-related information is displayed. At the bottom of the OLED display, the menu items navigation, media, telephone, and climate can be selected directly. The parking brake, gear selector, start-stop key, experience mode, and volume control functions are directly accessible via the characteristic toggle switch strip. Instead of a gear selector, there is more storage space in the center console with an open shelf for smartphones. These can be charged via wireless charging and are always at hand. Thanks to 12 ultrasonic sensors and 4 surround view cameras, Parking Assistant Plus can identify parking spaces more precisely and independently initiate space-restricted parking processes. Mini Digital Key Plus turns the smartphone into a key. As soon as the driver is within 3 meters of the vehicle, the welcome projections of the front and rear lights start, and the doors open at a distance of less than 1.5 meters. The digital key can be transferred to various users and replaces the transfer of the classic vehicle key for easier car sharing. Expect to see the Mini 5-door on sale in the United States later this year, and if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.